beautiful day here in Thailand. Unfortunately, when I went to Bangkok, I noticed something funny was the car. It was like an awful car. I didn't know if the subframe was loose or whatever when the clutch got changed or what happened, but actually turns out I've blown both front shocks and they became really bouncy. I was going to put drag suspension on, custom drag suspension on, but I can get these repaired supposedly in Bangkok, so I'm going to tweak them off. I'll show you the damage, but yeah, the car was acting really weird. It was like totally bouncing. It wasn't like skipping hard like hard suspension would be, because these are being built for circuit. They're Teins, but they've got I think it's 12k in the rear and 14k in the back, which is super stiff. It's going to go a lot softer, but you know, the money's going to go elsewhere on the build, I believe. I'm just going to rebuild the fronts. I'll maybe sell them. We'll see how it goes, but I'll tweak them off and we'll go from there. As you can see, they are leaking like a motherfucker. This one's really bad, which is strange because the other side knocked worse, but basically the seals are just blowing out. I don't know if they're leaking at the bottom either, but basically new dampers needed, so I'll take some measurements just so I can get them back to the same as they were. The other strange thing is one side had a camber bolt and the driver's side had no camber bolt, so I'll have to try rectify that as well. But here we go. I'll take some measurements down and I'll maybe see if we can strip these down. I don't have a impact gun, so I don't know if I'm going to get the top nut off, but I'll try. I'll see what happens. If not, further in this video you'll see them being rebuilt and whatnot, so we'll get there. Take the top mics off for impact, so I'm probably just going to ask if I can send them with this, but the rubber boots are shot as well, so we'll see how that goes. But that's them, just blowing the top seals. Don't know why, if it's the stiffness or just the roads or old seals. We'll see. The back's all okay. Here we go. Morning guys, back on another beautiful day as usual. We do have our coilovers back, rebuilt by a company in Bangkok called Elite Performance. I'll put their link down there. They were really well priced, so they've been resealed. I guess new gas or grease or whatever they put inside, and they've also got new bump stops because they were warned. They did the bump stops free of charge for us. I've got the old parts here that are all really manky, so I'll get to cleaning those and then we'll reassemble these and hopefully pop them back in the car. my unsteady hand. That's the coils back together. I did take measurements of preload and everything beforehand, so I'm just going to go look up what my pictures were and stuff, and then set these to the correct heights they were before. They will be adjusted again probably, because I'll be changing wheels, but we'll get them back on so we can get the shell to Bangkok and start engine work, and let's try get the fastest streetcar we can in Thailand. Let's see, full interior, we'll see what we can do. Hey guys, got the suspension all back on, so lucky enough, hopefully first time it goes back on the road, when the engine gets finished it doesn't spew food all over the place. I'll probably throw in the new brakes. I got them back from paint, so I'll throw them on and probably put the lines. This fitting's a bit mangled, but I'll get that replaced. I might remove the ABS from the car, just to get it cleaner in here, and the wiring might be done. I haven't made my mind up if I'm going to redo all this, so I'll speak to the garage and see what they want to do and if they want to redo it or not. But that's that back on. I'll go quickly get the brakes and show you them. Here we go guys, this is the calipers back from, I think it's K&M Autocar. They're the ones who actually painted the car as well. They did the back one, so that's the front ones matching now. I've taken off the APs. The APs were this colour as well, but hindsight I shouldn't have painted them and kept them red, and it'd be easier to sell probably, but the APs are for sale. I'll get these mounted up. I've got the discs sitting on. Got pads, I think it's Nexter pads, I think this is our local Thai brand. They'll do, you know, as long as the car stops, it doesn't matter. It's just to shave a couple of kilos each side, so I'll get to disc shock all on. I've got a funny feeling I've maybe put the shocks on the wrong side with how the brake line lines up, but we'll see. I'll go trial that in a second, but we'll end the video here. So suspension on, brakes back on, I'll get the bumper back on, it'll be a roller, it'll just be some wiring and stuff, and then it's ready to go to Bangkok. Put the wheels back on, back in the ground, ready to go to Bangkok. So catch you in the next video guys.